If you know like I know, pop your shit, little daddy, and get out your feelings. If you know like I know, pop your shit, little daddy, and get out your feelings. If you know like I know, pop your shit, little daddy, and get out your feelings. If you know like I know, pop your shit, little daddy, and get out your feelings. I'm Big P, really could give you the game, but boys been too busy bitching. I'm Big P, really could give you a play, but just be in competition. I broke her, I lift her up, I put her in position. She was too lost, she had no guidance. I took the out the trenches. She want a 4 from Wendy's. Let's hit Roof Crest, babe, you tripping.
Even though we got these construction projects going, our main job, the cash cow, doesn't stop. So right now we're headed to the Waco area to film the Waco Comedy Show auditions with my partner, A. Ray. I brought the kids along with me. We're gonna have a good time. We just pulled up for the auditions. Here's A. Ray, the man I was speaking of. We about to have a good time, you know what I mean?
Ever jump in another barber chair, okay? Go to your daddy. And if them hoes bend a little bit, Green Rainbow, they gonna be going live on your ass. Don't do that, bro. We're gonna get started in about 5-10 minutes.
We can go upstairs. That is a good spot right there too, though. I will tell you that. But then again, they would probably have to be sitting down right there. You probably want them standing up while they're auditioning. Come on, guys. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Everybody, we about to prep for the comedy show auditions. You see, I got my Brady Bunch, so I got the snacks. So we're gonna have a good time. Here you go, Grayson. Here, guys, let's get our chapstick. Make sure those lips are good. We're gonna be good today, Lincoln? Huh? And y'all follow A-Ray. Lincoln, that elbow ashy, so we have to do something about that. I see some quality people out there, bro. We're going to go get the first person now. It's gonna be crazy. We got a ton of laughs. Gotta go to the cart first. We forgot the batteries to the gimbal. Whew, I'm excited. We got some crazy faces down there. I'm excited. For real. See how secure it is. How you doing? You ready? Yeah. Superstitious. Yeah.
More kids do you less damn about it. That shit crazy. You be like an uncle. I bring with me right? To help. Like, hey, brother, we going to Six Flags. You go this way, I go that way. I look like the one that teach you how to ride the bike. Like, that shit crazy. I like that, man. Though. So, like, and I like to see that they all with you because that kills stereotypes. They dads don't be out here dadding. They be like, nah, come on with you. And we do it way better than most believe because we put things on autopilot. He rode past McDonald's 3 times. Daddy, you can go to McDonald's now. I got the bologna and the bread in the back. You know what I mean? You don't know McDonald's. Go get that bologna and bread in the back. Nah, man, I love, especially, man, I love to see my brothers succeed. You know what I love to see?
Hey, what we got over there? Did you see the bologna and bread?
I did. Oh, that whole first joke I've been standing here. I ain't gonna lie, this whole first joke I've been standing here cooking. Why the heck? Why the hell?
You wanna look? You okay? Huh? Yeah. Here you go. Twins can't catch, right? Hey, you want bologna? Like a moon box? You always want.
Bro, any opportunity I get, I got another word with you. You say how I think when I get curious.
That's how you can tell when somebody really wants it, bro. Like, you give people excuses. You just work this shit for fame, bro. Yeah. I really like that, man. Well, I guess let's get you set up. We just finished. Got the kids handling the gear. We got so much young talent. This man right here, he'll be making movies one day. Hey y'all, come on. Now get out that dirt. Hey, look what it say right there. Free smells. You got it, you got it. And you can go ahead too. Cause we'll be a while, so you can go ahead. No, please, we'll be on. So we're at Jimmy John's about to get some sandwiches. There's something yummy in our tummy, right? How you doing, family? You want it at 12 minutes? Which one did you want? Let me go one spicy East Coast Italian, and then the other ones that's all the Club Lulu's. So as y'all know, food is always a chore. We have to get 7 sandwiches. So we're waiting on those right now. The rest can be a total mess, you can still read it without problem. This is because the human mind does not read every letter by itself, but the word as a whole.
How are you gonna smart?
I mean, your dad's smart. Let me show the people.
Do you know what 32 plus 32 is?
Yes, I do. 32 plus 32 is 64.